Hey, hey, it's Berta Jay, and you're back in my kitchen with me today without a video on a recipe or a tip. I just wanted to talk to you. I don't have anything prepared. I just wanted to talk to you and thank you for all the support that many of you have given me over and over since January of 2017. And I wanted to tell you that I don't have something prepared because I didn't cook the item beforehand. And you know my hard taskmaster, my son Evan, I can't put anything on this show, and I am in agreement with him. I don't want to put anything on our show that I haven't tried out and tested and tasted and I am enjoying it, so then I can bring it to you. So I don't have anything today. But what I did want to tell you is this, is that because of all of your support, I've come up with a name that I wanted all of you to know. You're the Berta Jay Troupe, but it's spelled T-R-O-U-P. Incorrectly, I know there's supposed to be an E on the end. But what I did was, as I began to see the people that were leaving comments and making comments and supporting me and giving me funny things about my channel and about Evan and I realized that we were a group of people with a similar type of reason for being together. And it was because we wanted to support each other, to care about each other, and to share with one another. And so I took two words and I put them together. And this is what I did. I took tribe and then I added to that group, which is also a group of people with a leader of some type. And I put them together and I came up with Troupe, T-R-O-U-P. And we're a group, like I said, that I guess I'm the leader, and you want to come and you want to see what I have to share. After all these years of cooking and baking and making mistakes and throwing things out, you guys still want to hear what I have to say, and all my bloopers and everything else. And so I just wanted to take this time to thank you completely for getting us from 0 views and 0 subscribers to well over 16,000 subscribers. And I don't even know how many views I have now. But one video that we did just on the spur of the moment is almost at 1 million views because of you. So thank you. That's all I wanted to tell you today. This is the video that I wanted to share. Okay? So you're the Berta Jay Troupe, and I'm proud of that. I'm really thankful for it. And that's it. So until next time, where I am practicing and trying out some recipes, you will have something. But as for now, it's just bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on that bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. Don't forget to leave some comments below. I'm speaking from my heart to the troupe of Berta Jay. Bye.